Hi guys, so today we are going to compare two belts, one being from Red Tape and other one being from Labnoft. So let's open the box and check them out. This is the one which is from Red Tape. Remove this. And this one is from Labnoft. So remove this one as well. So these are the two belts. Let's look at the Labnoft first. This has a metallic, obviously, buckle. It's dark in color, somewhat black, shiny, and has a nice feel to it. We open the belt. It's a leather belt, and here we find the logo Labnoft. One side you will find this is black, and the other side is brown. That's where you see the brown in color. The texture is slightly porous, it's grainy, it's not very smooth, right? And you would see at the edge there is this the stitching is outlined here. There's a logo here as well, Labnoft. Then if we want, we can actually, I think this is reversible, so this should be, yeah, this one, that's how it works. So you can use both the sides of it. Then you can use it as the black side and the brown side and the black side as well. So this is it. Let's roll it back. And we'll take it back. Right. Now let's compare the other one, which is from Red Tape. This has a shiny steel buckle. Looks nice. This has the branding out here. You would see it engraved. Right. And then if we look at the quality, this is nice. It has that grainy appeal, but it is still very smooth. The other one was very rough. This one feels very smooth, though you will find those slight markings out here, but it feels very nice and very smooth. You would see the Red Tape logo out here again. Okay, and this side as well. And again, I think this is also reversible. One side is black, black, and the other one is brown. And if you want to, this is slightly easier, much more comfortable. It does not take that much of effort. Nice sound to it, nice click sound. So this looks more professional, more classy. That's what I find. My personal choice would be to go with Red Tape. Looks pretty classy, professional. Now let's roll it back. And here it is. Thank you.